Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today you are going to listen to a meaningful story called Nothing Changes If You Don't Change. This story is not only for improving your English listening and vocabulary but also for improving your life. Many people wait for change. They wait for a better job. They wait for more money. They wait for happiness. But what if nothing changes because we don't change? This story will show you how small decisions made quietly can completely transform our life. So relax, listen carefully, and let this story stay with you. The story Daniel was an ordinary man living an ordinary life. Every morning Daniel woke up at 7:30 a.m. The alarm rang. He pressed the snooze button one time, two times, three times. Finally, he opened his eyes and sighed. Daniel was 32 years old. He lived in a small apartment. He worked at a job he did not like, and every day felt exactly the same. He rushed to work. He sat at his desk. He checked emails. He washed the clock. At lunch, he scrolled on his phone. He saw other people's lives. Someone was traveling, someone started a business, someone looked happy. Daniel closed his phone and thought, why is my life so boring? But he did nothing. After work, he went home. He ate fast food. He watched videos. He slept late. And the next day, everything repeated. The quiet voice inside. One night, Daniel lay in bed. He could not sleep. His mind was full of thoughts. I am tired, he thought. Not tired of work, not tired of people, tired of his life. A quiet voice inside him asked, what are you doing to change it? The voice answered softly, or are you just afraid? Daniel felt uncomfortable. He had many dreams before. He wanted to learn new skills. He wanted a better job. He wanted confidence. But dreaming was easy, changing was hard, so he closed his eyes and slept. The old man at the bus stop. The next morning, Daniel missed his bus. He waited at the bus stop, angry and tired. An old man sat beside him. The man looked calm. He smiled, long face. The old man said, Daniel laughed politely. Just another bad day. The old man nodded. Bad days become bad lives if nothing changes. Daniel looked at him. That sounds deep, he said. The old man smiled again. I was once like you, he said. I waited for life to change. Daniel asked, and did it? The old man shook his head. No, he said. I changed. Then life followed. The bus arrived, but Daniel kept thinking about those words. A small decision. That evening, Daniel stood in his kitchen. He looked at his phone. He wanted to watch videos again, but he remembered the old man's words. Nothing changes if you don't change. He made a small decision, very small. Instead of watching videos, he searched how to improve my life. He read for 10 minutes, just 10. He felt strange, but also good. That night, he slept a little better. The first week of change, the next day, Daniel woke up earlier, not very early, just 15 minutes. He drank water. He stretched. He breathed deeply. He did not feel amazing, but he felt different. That week he made small changes. He read 10 minutes every day. He walked instead of sitting. He wrote his thoughts at night. Some days were hard, some days he wanted to quit, but he remembered small changes create big results. Facing resistance, after 2 weeks, Daniel felt tired again. Nothing big had changed yet. His job was still the same. His life looked the same. His old habits called him back. Just relax, they said. Stop trying. Daniel almost listened. Then he asked himself, do I want comfort now or a better life later? The answer was clear. He kept going. A new version of himself. 3 months passed. Daniel was not perfect, but he was different. He spoke with more confidence. He learned new skills. He believed in himself. One day he applied for a new opportunity. In the past, he would not try, but now he did. And something amazing happened. He was accepted. Daniel smiled, not because life was perfect, but because he had changed. The real lesson Daniel learned a powerful truth. Motivation does not come fast, action comes fast. You do not change when you feel ready. You change when you decide. Life does not reward excuses. Life rewards courage. If you are watching this video right now, this message is for you. If your life feels stuck, ask yourself, what small change can I make today? Not tomorrow, not next year, today. Because remember, nothing changes if you don't change.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.